searched for the honey trick for men, chances are you've already come across a few different versions online, right? But what are people actually referring to when they use that name? Hey everyone, I've been seeing the honey trick mentioned more and more in men's wellness conversations lately. And because there are so many short videos saying different things, I decided to look a little deeper into where all this attention was coming from. The first thing I noticed is that the honey trick for men is one of those trends where the name gets repeated everywhere, but the complete explanation can be surprisingly difficult to find. You see short clips, comments, and different interpretations of what it's supposed to be, but most of them only give you a small part of the story. And rather than following one of those random versions, I wanted to find the more complete explanation behind the trend. That's when I came across a presentation that goes much deeper into what people mean when they talk about the honey trick and why it has attracted so much interest from men. It explains the broader idea, the routine people are referring to, and the context behind it all in one place. That's also why I'm not going to give you some random recipe or try to recreate the method in this video. If you're genuinely curious about the honey trick for men, it makes much more sense to see the complete explanation instead. So rather than trying to piece together information from different videos, you can go directly to the presentation and see what the whole thing is about, okay? Then you can form your own opinion about it. So I found a link and I left it just below in the description box of my video. Just click there and you will see the complete video about this trick.